Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make glassine baggies. Let me show you. So a glassine bag is almost like this, not almost, it is basically parchment paper. It's like the same thing. It has a sheen to it. It's not as easy tearable as you know, like tissue paper or anything, even though it kind of looks like it. And then you can see through it. So here's the one I made. You can see, you can still kind of see like my hand in there. And yeah, I'm going to show you what I bought and used. Okay, so I don't ever go down the baking aisle, but I did today. I went to Hobby Lobby and they have this parchment paper sheets. There's 24 sheets of a 20-inch by 16-inch. So it was $4.99. It might have been on sale. $4.99, but you can always use a 40% off coupon and get it for like half price basically. So I pulled it out and it has four giant sections. So then I just took one of the sheets and I cut down on the third rectangle. I cut down the center best I could. Probably use a cutting board, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so now you have your main bag that's going to be right here, and then these are going to be the flaps. I'm going to see if this cuts in my... I'm scared though. It probably does not. Well, I could be wrong though. Oh, it cuts. I am mistaken. So cut it in your cutter because it looks much nicer that way. So this is doubled up, as you can see. So now just cut your... So once you open it up, cut it in half because now this makes two bags. Now you have the folds and the creases for two bags. I'll wait to do that one. So there you go. So this is the normal side of the paper. It's a much brighter side, and this, if you turn it upside down, inside out, it's more of a muted glassine bag. That's totally your preference. I do like this, but it's a little bright for what I want it to be for. So I turned it inside out and it looks like this. So now it's going to be inside out because I'm going to fold the flaps in. But if you want the colored side up, then you just, you know, fold on your creases and fix it. So fold your creases in, just like we make the coin envelopes. If you don't know how to make coin envelopes with the little brads or eyelets, I'll link the video down below that I did. So this part, get to the bottom and just eyeball it. As you can tell, it's totally not even the way I cut it. About a ½ inch or a 1/4 of an inch, whatever you can, and crease it down. Then at the top, you do a 1/4 of an inch, best you can. Okay, so they should be looking exactly the same. For the bottom, wherever your bottom is, cut the bottom 2 corners out. Then, once you cut the corner rectangles out, you get about a 1/4 of an inch in from the bottom and angle it and cut at a, you know, cut a little triangle out. This is just for decorative purposes. Then the top, you're going to open it up and cut your corner rectangles out. Okay, so then you get your tape gun. Tape works best for this. I wouldn't recommend glue. Just run a thin line as close as you can to the edge, then fold your piece over. Then the bottom where you cut the 2 little triangles out, you do that as well. And fold it up. Now it's looking like, I mean, you can leave it a straight edge like this, like just cut it straight across, because Glassine bags look like that as well. But I wanted mine to look like the Hobby Lobby ones. So with the top piece, cut a little triangle out from the corner. Then I got my little teeth style scissors and cut along the edge. And sometimes it's a little bit hard because it is what, like, parchment paper is basically like waxy, you know, non-stick paper for baking. So I kind of just help it by tearing it up once I cut down. And there you have it. Now I have a Glassine bag, just like the Hobby Lobby ones. I'm going to go in with my bone folder and make these edges nice and, ooh, too crisp. There we go. Again. Okay. Now I have a fun party looking Glassine bag.